Hi, I'm Chris Kearns. I'm the Regional Manager for Altus Consulting UK. And today I'm joined by Roger Light, one of our data and analytics consultants. And of the many hats that Roger wears, we're talking to him today in his capacity as a data visualization specialist and trainer. Hi, Roger.
Hi, Chris. How you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. So in our last video, we talked about Power BI dashboard in a day training and its suitability for those new to Power BI. Today, we're talking about Power BI Advanced, and I'm guessing from the name that that's focused on those looking to advance their journey in Power BI.
Yes, that's right. This, along with our data wrangling course, that course is focused more on data preparation and modeling, but this Power BI Advanced course is about expanding a student's capabilities inside Power BI Desktop, creating visualizations, using some of the advanced features and working with DAX.
Great, so that's a nice overview. Can you provide a little bit more detail around what gets covered?
Yeah, so there are a number of areas that we look at, including functionality and appearance, interactivity and navigation, connection functionality, in particular the different types of connection, DAX, some of the concepts behind that and how you use it to create measures. We look at also the Power BI service in a little more detail, and we do a survey of some of the community tools that are available for people working with Power BI.
That sounds like a very comprehensive curriculum. Is that set in stone?
No, that's our standard curriculum, but if there are other things that people want to look at, or if they want to do a deep dive into a particular area of Power BI, then we can customize the course and make that work for them.
Cool. And how is the learning experience structured on the day?
Yeah, so we generally have a three-stage process in learning. We will do a presentation of a new idea or a feature. Then we will demonstrate it so that people get to see it in action. And then finally, we'll have some kind of exercise so that people can get their hands dirty and actually practice it for themselves.
Nice. And do students need to bring their own data?
No, we'll provide all the data that's needed to work with throughout the day. If students want to bring their own data, if they have a corporate data set that they will want to share and work with, then we can potentially customize the course around that for them.
Great. And what is the one key thing you'd like students to take away from the course?
So I think it's inevitable that there's no course you can do in a day that will show you everything there is to know about Power BI. But what we do hope to do with this course is empower students to progress with every area of Power BI that they are interested in. So if they're particularly interested in DAX, then we would very much hope that following the end of the day, they would be able to pick up where they left off from today and advance their knowledge. And so too with any of the other areas that we look at.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Roger. And just to add, we've been delivering training online since March 2020. And we offer the ability to split the course into 2 half days if that better suits your team balancing working from home and life balance. And we cap the course to 15 students to maximize personal attention. If you're interested in learning more about our Power BI Advanced training or our Power BI Data Wrangling or Dashboard in a Day, please do feel free to get in touch. And thank you very much for watching.